Attack. Attack. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Attack. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, you know, say, yo, a recording sent to my people. You know what I mean? Couple days ago. And me think, I wonder, and I say, NEWLINK, you shall share this recording with people because me never get no info on it like, who is this person? You understand? But basically, my people, from the talking, from the voice recording with people, you know what I mean? It is Jamaica, my people. So basically, my people, it is a daddy and a daughter, my people. And this worthless thinking daddy, my people, basically I look pumps from him pitney. You understand? Yeah, he might look pumps the people because it seemed like the daughter stays so boom, put the phone on record my people while him did they try touch, while him did they try put on himself and push on himself to warm my people, you know what I mean? And then she comes so boom and leak it out them viewers and subscribers, or she send it to somebody because you don't know I go to work my people, and the person do come so boom and broadcast it, or she lost her phone, and then you know what I mean. But this is what happened with people. See? So I'm going to share this recording with you, my viewers and subscribers. And for my take on it, my people, you don't know me have to attack it, you know what I mean? But I want to hear all of your thoughts on it. So in some part of it, you got to hear some silence of people, but just listen through, you know what I mean? I could have cut out, but I want it just play according to it was sent to my people. I don't want to cut out nothing like my splice, nothing. I want to listen for myself and listen say it's a recording, my viewers and subscribers, and not was splice and put together, because once I cut out certain things, it going to look like say as something we edit up and put together, my people. But I want enough to see and hear the truth, my people. But all me can say, you have some thing out there, them go there and them make you with my people, but boy, them not deserve a call daddy. None at all, my people, because they are not. They are monsters, they are wicked, they are pedo. You know what, NEWLINK? Top talk. Check out this, some people.
If I lie to you, tell people what I do. Yeah. Can't even go on.
No, they said no, not daddy.
Mm-hmm.
They said no.
See, it's on. No pregnant, nothing at all. Please, you know, oh God. I'm peeing up. Oh God, help me now. Help me, Chanel, please. It's only you can do it for me, please. Please, baby. Please, darling, please.
Daddy, no. No.
Let me do it from
No.
outside. Let me do it from outside.
No, stop.
Let me do it from outside. You cannot go through the clothes. Chanel, please, I'm begging you faithfully to God. Help me, let me help you now. Oh God, Chanel, you serious, you know?
No.
Please, no.
Daddy, no. No, daddy, no.
Oh God, Chanel. Oh God. Chanel, please. Please, oh God.
Daddy, no. Stop.
No, I'm going So now, you like it.
What is that?
You really doing with this? Hmm? You really doing with this? Chanel not hurting you, know? Please, for once, oh God. Look, I tell you, we do everything for you. I will make you be the best daughter. Honestly, give you everything for you, make you go to comfort. Take you from over there, make you go to college, stay at college, everything. Food on the table, everything. If I invest in you that kind of way, what you do for me?
What do you mean?
If I find myself investing in you like 600,000 a year, what would you do?
I'm gonna understand you if you explain.
If I invest so much money in you, what would you do to make me happy back after all?
I don't know.
Hmm?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you think would make me happy?
What would make you happy, Daddy?
Don't know. What you think would make me happy?
I don't know. That's why I ask you.
Would you go the extra mile to make me happy?
Yeah, who wouldn't want to make their father happy?
Hmm?
Who wouldn't want to make their father happy?
So suppose me want a bit of happy, so when happiness when no other woman ever do to me.
Meaning?
I don't know.
You have to talk to me.
Hmm?
You have to talk to me.
I don't know, just trying to say, suppose I want a bit of happiness when no other woman ever do for me.
I don't understand you.
I don't know. Meaning, like how I don't have no one at all. And I want a bit of happiness.
I don't understand you.
Well, I don't know how much to explain it then. I don't know how much more to explain.
Some viewers and subscribers, you hear and you listen to this recording, the people, and you hear they look at dirty thinking, sinting, my people. Attacking a NEWLINK, attacking a NEWLINK, attacking a NEWLINK. This piece of sinting now, my viewers and subscribers. You hear the sinting, I try convince the people. Him that, and you hear the girl daddy, and I try my people put on himself, I push on himself. On a real level, I really in that this people no. Even if so, I him go the you know what I mean, work it when he did work the pumps and do manage a pop breed and get her, but he's no daddy. This is a monster. This is a wicked, this is a sick, mentally. This is a same thing I need for dash my people. This is a same thing I need for throw away. You understand? So when all the thing that I go on down at the prison the other day, my people, the jail, and them have, you know what I mean, a sin thing Like this a same thing my people. This a same thing they need, to drop them a plastic upon my people. This a same thing they need to take acid and dash upon and beat and kick in the head, It deserve it, my people. Because me believe say same thing like them not deserve to go live in a comfortable we in a jail, in a prison, people. You understand? Because we have seen where some of them feel too comfortable. Same thing like this, it need to get attack. Attack. How can you say workless? How can you say workless? What's so special upon your bikini? Look how much woman out there, every crease, every corner, you turn a Jamaica. You turn up, so you turn down, so you turn round, so you know what I mean? And even if you're not yard there, even if your daughter at Jamaica now, they overseas, a straight attack same way. You're too worthless, man. Because everywhere in the world you go, you can find 15 women to one man. And everywhere you go, you can find a little corner where you can go buy it from. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. If you're so desperate and want it, then build fake wombs now where you can go buy now. Then build fake woman where you can go buy now. But why you chose your picking it? Why you chose? I say I pray the police them find the same thing. And I pray them deal with you. Because I don't want them deal with it with no ease. You know what I mean? You have to walk the same thing. And there's a lot of daddy out there, lot of one who call themselves father, and they are doing the same thing too. You deserve attack. You deserve attack. All of wicked sin thing. We are turned for a pitney and about a beg on a pitney wife. A straight attack for too worthless and cruel, man. Jaja sees, Jaja. No, my son, me hear the thing, my people. Me cannot believe how the sin thing a force on himself. And gratefulness to that, refuse him, resist him, my people, and he's still, I want to find words to put in the pick them out. And I put the girl, I said, Daddy, stop, Daddy, done, you're my father. And I look at same thing still. You see, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, man. My people, this is the world we are living in. Mothers out there, please look out for your children. Good father out there, big up on yourself. But you see, someone look at dirty thinking, worthless pooper. But me telling her straight attack again for you like that same thing. Straight attack. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. What a world we are living in today, my people. Only Jah sees and he knows. So people, big up on yourself and more respect and more blessings. And thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and every comment. You don't know my people again. One team, one dream, and one scheme, my people. Peace out. Blessings. Attack that new link.